PhD student at the University of Fribourg in Switzerland. I'm doing an ethnography of the production of official language statistics in Switzerland, so I'm actually looking at the knowledge that is produced with these numbers. I'm interested to see how this knowledge is produced, by whom, and for what social, political, economic, or scientific purposes. It's interesting because these statistics are something that everyone has access to, everyone sees the results, and usually these results are considered objective and neutral. So in my PhD, I'm actually going behind the number to see how this objectivity, this neutrality in numbers is constructed, and on what language ideologies it relies, and how actually in the making language ideologies are formed, negotiated, or enter intentions.